the JWST, or the James Webb Space Telescope. Okay, so talking about that, it is...
What's that?
The James Webb Space Telescope. It is a multi-billion-dollar telescope. Okay, can you guess how much money is it? How much billion dollars is it?
I don't know.
10 billion US dollars.
Oh.
It's 100 times more expensive than the Hubble Space Telescope at 100 million USD, launched in 1996. The Hubble Space Telescope was observing the entire universe for over 20 years until the JWST was launched on Christmas 2021. So it took the distance to L2, which is L2 is actually one of the points, which it's exactly like orbit is exactly sun. And how do I explain? I don't know actually. So L2 is a place that is 1.2 million kilometers away from Earth. So that is 3 times as much as the distance from Earth to the moon. So the JWST was launched on December 25th, 2021, and and the JWST arrived exactly 1 month later at L2, 1.2 million kilometers. So it's very complicated, but I'm gonna try and talk about it because I haven't talked about it in a while. So, anyways, the JWST, James Webb Space Telescope, was proposed by James Webb, like a scientist of space. Okay, so this is how it works. They use like light bounced through some mirrors, concentrated in a small place, and then transmitted to inside the interior of the JWST. Actually, it's like this. So it was folded off, put into a rocket, and after the rocket, because the JWST don't have enough speed to pass Earth's escape velocity, which is 40,000 kilometers per hour, which only rockets can have this much, with so much kerosene or liquid hydrogen to do it. But yeah, so that's why they need to put it into a rocket and then launch it off so that the escape velocity is high enough. So when it's outside of the Earth's atmosphere, it becomes thin enough that you can easily travel without being so fast. So then the rocket just breaks the card to conserve energy, and the JWST is launched. The JWST is like a folding paper. It's folded, and after a few days, it will unfold itself to the entire shape because they need the JWST to be small enough to fit into the rocket. So the first part was okay. So there's actually one part because the JWST has to face away from the sun, or like this is the JWST telescope. It has to be not too hot. It has to be cold so that it can run. So that's why there was 5 layers of a heat shield like that. It's like a sun shield, and so that it can make the JWST not that hot by blocking the radiation coming from the sun. So it will unfold that. So it will first the primary mirrors will open first with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 mirrors. 14 mirrors will open. In the middle, it was empty because so that the light going to the mirrors can bounce off, concentrate in a place, and then go into like a small place behind it, which I'm not very familiar of, to to get the message. But that's only the primary one. Next up, the sun shield will roll up. It's like the sun shield is actually it actually folded, so when it does, it will roll and will become a sun shield and will stretch long, very long. So then the secondary mirrors will open, which have an extra 6 mirrors, bringing the total mirror of the JWST to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 21, 22, 23, 24. Wait, no, 19, sorry. 19 mirrors. Concentrate them and produce them as an image. It is 2 meters wide, 4 times as wide as the Hubble Space Telescope. It has been in orbit in L2 now, but is it in operation? Still, I have not checked a lot of videos, but it probably is. As they said, after 6 months, it will totally be operational.
It's already 6 months?
I think, yes. I think it's already fully operational, which right now